Hi, this is just trying to get some shots of this. The Baltimore Bridge has collapsed. A cargo ship ran into the bridge, and I'm going to try to get some better pictures. Hold on. I don't know if you can see that, but most of the span of the bridge is gone. Now that's gone. It's really hard to get the news out here because they keep cutting off the pictures. Anyway, a big cargo ship ran into the middle of the Baltimore Bridge. The whole thing, most of the middle span collapsed. There it goes down. The ship is still out there with all its cargo, and they're doing rescue efforts. That bridge would have a lot of people on it. Very scary. They say there were about 20 people in the water. Might be more. Of course, some of them might be babies, old people, disabled people. Some people might have alcohol intoxication, or other drugs. Very difficult to know what kind of situation you're going to get. This is not going to be an easy rescue, and very, very sad. Okay, I'm going to try to get better pictures out there, and I'll be back. Whoops, there it goes. That's the bridge going down. This is about early morning, probably around 7 a.m. that this happened on March 26th. Amazing. Something we all fear when we go across bridges, even though we don't think about it. There are bridges everywhere, and very scary. Sure, everybody's been called out to rescue these people, but this is a water rescue. You're going to need certain equipment, certain skills. Of course, it's going to be quick because that water is going to be coming in, and people will be drowning if they're not able to get out of their cars. Especially if you have, I don't know how an electric car would do on this. Would it totally fail as you're underwater and you'd be trapped in that electric car? That'll be something to look at, and we'll just have to see how this unfolds. So I'll be back when I get better pictures. Bye.